Welcome to Oakleaf Junior High. My name is Kristen Rousseau and I am proud to be the principal of this A-rated school. We are an A school for many reasons, starting with the amazing teachers, staff, and the very talented students that we have the pleasure of working with each day. Enjoy open house tonight. We are so glad you're here, and let us know if you have any questions.
We have so many things to brag about when it comes to our school. We are now an A school. Through the hard work of dedicated staff and the OLJ students, we have made significant learning gains in every academic area. At Oakleaf Junior, we have an award-winning band. We currently hold county championship trophies in 7 sports, and our academic team has won the county championship for 4 years in a row. This year we have introduced the AVID program, Advancement via Individual Determination, to our 7th grade to boost learning. Did you know that your student has the opportunity to earn high school credits in middle school? We offer high school credit for our students in algebra and geometry, digital information technology, agriculture, as well as online course credit. We also have advanced courses in each core area. If your student is a struggling reader, he or she may be enrolled in intensive reading to support reading across core classes. Our students have online support in math and reading with iReady and Achieve 3000. We also have interventionists this year in both ELA and math. All of these accolades do not happen by chance. It takes talented, hardworking students and an amazing staff. Our teachers are leaders in Clay County. You will have the opportunity to meet teachers tonight, but let me introduce you to other key members of our building staff. Mrs. Christy Graham is the OLJ Vice Principal. She is our 8th grade administrator and also oversees testing and assessments, scheduling, and the guidance office. OLJ Assistant Principal, Mrs. Catherine Green, works with all 7th grade students and is also responsible for buses, safety and emergency procedures, and technology. We are very excited to have a Clay County Sheriff Deputy that will be on campus every day. Our school resource officer is Deputy Jackson. You will see him around campus before, during, and after school because your students' safety is our #1 concern. Clay County has also started an ID badge initiative this year with your student safety in mind. Every student or adult that is on campus will be required to have his or her ID badge visible at all times. Each student was issued an ID card during the first week of school. If your student is still in need of a badge, please have them report to the Media Center. Mrs. West or Mrs. Dugan will be happy to assist them. We will issue 2 free cards each year. Replacement cards are $5. We have a caring front office, custodial, and cafeteria staff who work very hard to make your students' experience at OLJ an enjoyable one. You may have already met our counselors. They are dedicated and always ready to assist. If you have an academic, social, or emotional concern regarding your student, the ladies in the guidance office are here to help. There are a few questions that are frequently asked this time of year. If you are in need of additional information, please feel free to ask one of your student's teachers or find an administrator before you leave tonight. We are ready to answer your questions. First, will my student have time to get to class? Of course, absolutely. Our students have had a week to get used to the campus with adults throughout the halls to lead the way. We have designed a traffic pattern in the hallways to help keep our halls congestion free with 7th grade in one wing and 8th grade in the other. Our students did a fantastic job last week getting around and locating their classes. Next, what is the policy on dress code in junior high? We follow the dress code determined by the Clay County Board of Education, which addresses things like jeans, pants, or shorts without holes above the knee, shirts that cover the shoulder, and the appropriate lengths for short skirts and dresses. We want our students comfortable, appropriate, and ready for learning. We have included the complete dress code policy in our student planner for families to review. We often get questions regarding extracurricular activities at the Hive. We encourage all students and parents to get involved. Oakleaf Junior High offers many extracurricular activities such as robotics, drama, academic clubs, and sports such as flag football, cross country, and volleyball. These activities offer opportunities for students to learn the values of teamwork, individual and group responsibility, healthy competition, and a sense of culture and community. Please check the OLJ website regularly for information on tryout dates and application forms for clubs. Many of our students travel to school by bus. If you need bus information, please check with Mrs. Green, our assistant principal, or contact the Clay County Schools Transportation Department. Each year, we practice and stress safe riding habits with our students. At times, we have questions regarding bus passes to ride a different bus or travel with another student. Unfortunately, because our buses are already full, we are unable to offer temporary bus passes. If you have any other transportation questions, we are here to help. A couple of reminders when in the parent car line. Please pull as far forward as possible before stopping to drop off or pick up. This helps traffic flow. Parking areas have been roped off during pickup and drop-off times to help the flow of traffic, and more importantly, to limit the amount of children that are walking in car traffic to cross the road. Please have students enter or exit your car curbside in front of the main building. We have adults located here to help move traffic and keep our kids safe. Our campus opens at 8:50 a.m. Please make sure your children are safe by arriving on campus after 8:50 when we have supervision available. As always, thank you for your help as we work to keep our campus a pleasant and safe learning environment. Don't forget to sign up for PIO. The Parent Involvement Organization meets the first Monday of each month and spearheads exciting programs for students, staff, and families here at the Hive. We are looking for parents who enjoy event planning, decorating, social media, and volunteering. Communication is important for student success. If you have not already, like our page on Facebook. Our Facebook page is where school news, event announcements, and other pertinent information is posted regularly. Every Sunday you will receive an email parent letter with information about the upcoming week at the Hive. If you have not received an email communication this school year, please reach out to our record secretary to ensure that contact information is correct. We are not only an A school, we have an A community. We cannot do this without you, and your thoughts and suggestions are always welcome. Enjoy your time on campus this evening. On behalf of the Yellow Jacket staff, welcome. We are so happy to see you. Let's make this the best year ever, and go Jackets!